Folding the tank trap. Before you begin folding the tank trap, you will need to clean and dry the inside surface. Begin by standing the pool on its side and spin it so that the inside of the pool is facing you. There are 2 tabs attached to the outside bottom edge of the tank trap. All tank traps made before 2018 have 3 tabs, but can be folded using the same process. Place your hands on the location of the tabs and compress the sidewalls until the inside metal frames touch. Bring your hands together as if you were folding the tank trap in half. Twist your right hand counterclockwise, creating a loop. Tuck the loop inside and transfer both loops to your left hand. Next, locate the last uncompressed loop and join all loops together to form a rough circle. Finally, place the tank trap inside its soft carry case and carefully zip the case shut. The tank trap is the fastest containment pool on the market. You can check out more products and videos at andex.com.